2022 Honda Navi. This thing is all new. This thing is so fun.
Yo, what's up guys? We're back. Sorry for lagging on the videos the last couple weeks. I actually broke my wrist like 2 months ago and had to get a screw put in to hold it all together, but a little road bump, but it's all good. We're back. So that leads me to some new news. You'll be seeing me in this blue shirt a lot more often now. I've officially joined the Cycle News team. So I'm the off-road editor and kind of like the social media guy. So if there's anything you guys want to see in future videos, future magazine posts, social posts, anything like that, be sure to drop a comment and we'll check that out and take some of your feedback. Leading into that, I got some more news today. Despite the broken wrist, we are gonna go ride the 2022 Honda Navi. This thing just came out earlier this week, and yeah, we're really excited to go ride. They're doing an event today in Costa Mesa, California, so pretty close to my home base. Yeah, it should be super fun. It's kind of like a mix between the Grom and kind of like the Ruckus. So obviously they've hit gold with both of those bikes, kind of creating their own culture behind it. So maybe this is the three-peat. Let's go check it out. Okay, so here's our rides for today. A couple different colors the Navi comes in. I'm really digging this red down here at the end. It's kind of like that Honda Moto look. And then going inside here, this is the a build from Steady Garage. These guys are known for doing big custom builds on the Grom and the Ruckus. These guys are based out of Southern California, and this thing is just really, really cool. The attention to detail is unreal. And then this one is from Man in the Box. These guys are out of Tennessee, and this is a really cool custom build too, kind of like an HRC factory racer. Would be really cool as like a pit bike. You got the Yoshimura on here and the speaker system. All right, we cut the icon glove enough to be able to ride. Put this in the jacket and I think it'll hold. All right, we cut this glove up pretty good and zip tied the jacket over so you can't see for photos. But let's run it and give it a shot.
'22 Honda Navi. This thing is all new. This thing is so fun. A little 110cc 4-stroke, no clutch, no gears. Oh man, this thing is super fun. Let's go. Let's go. We're in Costa Mesa, California. Let's go do some riding. We're doing a little loop today with all of the guys and girls, all the moto media. 40. The guys at Honda say this thing will top out at about 55, so it's not recommended for freeway use. But for getting around town, man, this thing is so fun. It kind of feels like a Grom, kind of styled like the new Grom. Really narrow between the knees and really fun to kind of move around on. It does have a passenger set of pegs, so you could squeeze 2 people on this thing. I mean, this thing is so fun and easy to ride. It's really geared for like beginner riders and just for its ease of use, and you know, it's not gonna get away from you. I mean, I'm all the way on the gas right now.
Honda Navi first ride done and dusted. This bike is it's really just super fun. It's really good for beginner riders, kind of a first time bike, or somebody who's more of an expert rider, or, you know, has been riding for a while. It's a really fun way to get around town. Just jump on, give it gas, no clutch, no shifting. It's just super bare bones, but just a blast to ride. And I think the icing on the cake here is the $1,800 price point. I think that just really seals the deal and makes it you know, affordable for that beginner rider or another addition to your garage. I personally want to get one as a long-term test bike, and then just to have for the moto track, or you know, as a pit bike, or to ride around town, go get some groceries, or ride to a friend's house. Something where it's just a pain to jump in the van or jump in the truck. It'd be just a lot easier to jump on the Navi and just have a little more fun.